Today we're going to be having a look at the normal distribution. The normal distribution is a bell curve type shape. It is centered at its mean. 50% of the probability will be to the right of the mean, 50% of the probability will be to the left of the mean. So how do we normally solve normal distribution questions? Typically, these are CAS questions. There are CAS inbuilt functions that will do the normal distribution for you. The most common of which kind of question is going to be to find a probability between some upper and lower bound. A very typical wording of it is going to be as follows. Now, they might not specifically say like x between 140 and 170. They might use the actual scenario itself. Like maybe it's the heights of young women or the, where's another one? IQ scores. What you'll notice every time is that they give you the mean and the standard deviation. Those are pretty much always going to be crucial in calculating probabilities using the normal distribution. When it comes to doing it tech active, the function you're looking for is the normal CDF. Right, kind of similar to how we use the binomial CDF for binomial probabilities in a range. We use the normal CDF for normal probabilities. Plug it all in, 0.888. That is the probability that your result will be somewhere between 140 and 170, so long as you are calculating using the normal distribution. Next up, finding an upper or lower bound given a certain probability. So again, mean and standard deviation are given to you directly. This time the probability is given to you, the net probability is 80%, but you want to find the particular x value, or in this case it's written as k, for which 80% of scores are below. What that looks like mathematically would be this, right? Probability that x is less than k, right? 80% of scores are below k, x less than k, is equal to 80%. The way that we solve this kind of question is with the other function that I didn't mention, the inverse normal. All we do now is just plug in the information that we have, and we're going to get the particular x value that accommodates that net probability. So what did we find specifically? I will demonstrate by drawing a picture. Here is our normal distribution. We were told that the mean was 10, which means the center of this bell curve is 10. We wanted to find the value of k such that 80% of the total area is left of that value, less than k. What we just found there was the k value. It was 10.67.